Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do the unboxing and get the first impressions of the Camo t-shirts from Branded. We've got a few versions of the t-shirts here. Swedish Camo top, Swedish Camo t-shirt, Flecktan, and Woodland. These are few of the 11 versions which you can always find on the Branded website. Okay, let's start with the Swedish Camo top. All these t-shirts are made from 100% cotton. That's a standard t-shirt, Camo t-shirt. Cotton is comfortable, it has a great fit, it really sits good on you. Let's get rid of this foil. Okay, that's the top, Swedish Camo top. Let's open it. Swedish Camo or M90 camouflage used by the Swedish armed forces. Yeah, that's the top, front, back. That's a large. They fit true to size. So if you're wearing large, a large will be good. If you're wearing a medium, then that's your size. Okay, that was top, put on side, and let's check the t-shirt. They are pretty cheap, so you can find them for around 10 euros, between 10, 12, 8, depends on the model, but you can expect that kind of price is really not expensive. Branded, yeah, it looks huge, but when you're wearing it, fits good. It has a bit space. We can compare also the Swedish Camo with, let's say, the Flecktan from German armed forces. Let's open it and compare the sizes. So that's L with L, both L's. Put one next to the other. Yeah, identical. That's Flecktan from the German forces. Great fit. 100% cotton, how I said. Let's move to the Woodland. Woodland, that's the previous Camo shirt from the US forces. If I'm not mistaken, until 2012. Let's take that out. Get rid of the foil. So that's Woodland. Identical size, that's also an L. No tags on that, or I don't see them. Yeah, the inside. So basically, doesn't matter which pattern you choose, which color you choose, which style you choose. The size is identical, branded. Only how I set the price, it might differ a bit, slightly. Yeah, you can always check the website to see more of the styles. Yeah, definitely is a go from my side. Definitely a go. Price and quality and fit. That's perfect. You cannot go wrong with that. In the hot summers, if you're looking for a t-shirt, camo t-shirt, that's definitely a good choice from branded. Generally, I would like to say a few words. I didn't make some video for a while. I didn't have any good boot, tactical boot to show you guys. If you have something in the eye, if you would like me to do some review or check some boot, please let me know in the comments which model. Under Armour lately did not release any new boots. Under Armour is one of my favorite brands, but they got stuck, not sure why. They didn't release any new models. Yeah. Generally, if you would like to see some other equipment, just let me know. I'm here. I do that for fun, so we can check together. Yeah, pretty much that was it. Again, if you look for some nice camo t-shirts for the summer, that's definitely a go. Yeah, thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please give thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.